Good morning students. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter Algebra. So dear children, take your third chapter note and start writing. Children, take your last class homework and check the answers. Exercise 3.3 second sum. Exercise 3.3 second sum. By remainder theorem, find the remainder when p of x is divided by g of x, where first one p of x equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1. G of x is equal to x plus 1. Okay. First one, here by remainder theorem, find the remainder. You have to find the remainder. Okay. Then here p of x is equal to one polynomial is given. G of x is equal to x plus 1 is given. Okay. Which is the smallest polynomial x plus 1. Isn't it? So we have to divide it by this one. Okay. That's the question. Divided by g of x. Isn't it? Here by remainder theorem, so we have to use the remainder theorem, otherwise ordinary division also we can do. Okay, p of x, and then outside we have to write x plus 1, then ordinary division also we can do. Okay, then remainder also answer we have to write. Okay, for example 9 divided by 3. Okay, 9 divided by, otherwise 15 divided by 3. That means how we will divide 15, then divided by what? 3, isn't it? Then this is the smallest number. Okay. Then how many 3's are in 15? 5 3's are, isn't it? 5 3's are 15. What's the remainder here? Remainder is 0. Okay. Like that only this question also. Okay. But here by remainder theorem. Okay. That's a question. So we are using this method. Okay. Then g of x divided by this one means then here x equal to minus 1 we will get, isn't it? Then x plus 1. First we have to find out the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial, which one? X equal to minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. This minus 1 we have to substitute in x place. Then what's the answer we are getting? 0, isn't it? That's the remainder. Okay. Then third one, p of x is equal to this the question. G of x we have to divide. What is g of x? X minus 1. We have to take x minus 3. X minus 3 equal to 0. Then x equal to 3. Okay. That x value you have to substitute this polynomial, and then you got the answer 62. Okay. So remainder is 62. Did you get this answer? Like that, fifth sum, for what value of k is the polynomial p of x is equal to this polynomial exactly divisible by x minus 2, isn't it? Exactly divisible by, exactly divisible means, and here what value of k is the polynomial p of x. This is the divisible here given. Divisible means what? Then remainder must be 0. Okay. Then remainder is equal to 0 we will get. That means we can say what? This is divisible. Okay. Here what is given? Divisible is given. Okay. Then from so we have to find what? K value. Okay. Then remainder first exactly divisible by x minus 2 means then x equal to 2, isn't it? Therefore remainder equal to what? Remainder equal to 0. Why? This is x here given. Okay, this polynomial exactly divisible. So then remainder equal to 0. Okay, remainder equal to 0 means then p of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, p of 2, x place 2 substitute, p of 2 is equal to what? 0 means this is divisible. Okay, then p of 2. P of 2, isn't it? And then this equation x place we have to substitute 2, then this equal to 0. Okay, understood? and then afterwards multiply this all values, okay, and then constant terms add, then this 32 minus 4k you will get, okay, and then this 4k minus 4k if you bring the next side, then 4k we will get, okay, and therefore 4k is equal to 32 divided by 4, k is equal to 8. Therefore p of x is exactly divisible by x minus 2 means then what's the answer? K is equal to 8. K is equal to 8. This is also homework question. Did you get this answer? Today we are going to see example 3.12. Without actual division, prove that f of x is equal to 2x power 4 minus 6x cube then plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is exactly divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, here without actual division method, okay, without actual division, prove that f of x is equal to 2x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is exactly divisible by, here quadratic equation is given, okay, linear equation means very easy, isn't it? But here quadratic equation is given. Ordinary division means we have to divide, ordinary division we can do, but here what's the question? Without actual division method. Without actual division method means then we have to use which one? Remainder theorem. Okay, here we have to use remainder theorem. Okay, so how we can find? Here directly we cannot find. Okay, so first f of x, what is given? Let f of x is equal to this polynomial, write it, then this one g of x you should take it here, from here then we have to find two factors. Okay, how we can find two factors? Okay, here x square means 1x square, okay, here what's the coefficient? 1, isn't it? This 1 and this constant multiply means what's the value you will get? 2, isn't it? Then product 2, then sum minus 3 we need, okay, product 2, these two numbers, any two numbers multiply means then we need what? 2, okay, then that two numbers adding time we need minus 3, okay, what are the numbers we have to find, okay, then 1 2 is 2, okay, 1 2 is 2, 1 into 2 is 2. Have you understood? Then but here these two numbers add means then we will get here plus 3, isn't it? Okay, but here we need minus 3, this minus 3 only we need, okay, so shall we give minus here, minus 1 and minus 2, okay, these two numbers multiply, minus 1 into minus 2 is what? 2, product 2 we got, isn't it? This two add it, add means what's the answer we got? Minus 3. Have you understood? This two add means we got minus 3. So what are the factors? These factors we can write here, isn't it? And then instead of x we have to split this value we can substitute, okay, then this x square like that you should write it, okay, then afterwards here what are the values we got? Minus 1 and minus 2, isn't it? So we have to write here minus 1x, okay, minus 2x, then this constant should write here. Have you understood? Then this minus 3x we wrote like this, minus 1x and minus 2x. First two term compare it, okay, then this two term take it, which is common, this two term which is common, here 2 x into x is there, here 1x is there, x common, isn't it? That x common you should take outside. Have you understood? Then 1x if you take outside means the remaining 1x is there, isn't it? That x you should write. Then from here this x we took outside, isn't it? Remaining minus 1 is there. Very clear? Then afterwards this 2 term we should take it. Okay? This 2 term which is common. Very good. Here minus 2 common we can take outside, isn't it? Minus 2 or plus 2? Minus. Here minus is there, isn't it? Shall we take minus 2 outside? Okay. Minus 2. Then remaining x is there. From here minus 2 we took outside. So we can write what? Minus what? Minus 1. Very clear? Minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 2 into 1 is 2. Have you understood? Then equal to, here x minus, this is one term, this is another term. Which is common here? X minus 1 is common. X minus 1 is common. Okay. Then remaining what? X minus 2. X minus 2. These two factors we got. Have you understood? Then afterwards we will study this factorize, everything we will study. Then that time you will get one idea. Okay. And now got it? Have you understood? First this quadratic equation means using with the help of which one? Factorization method. We have to find out the two factors. Okay. And then here coefficient of x square. Then 1. This 1 and 2 multiply. Need product to sum minus 3. What are the numbers? The two numbers you find out. Then afterwards these values we have to substitute here. Common you should take outside. Okay. Then x minus 1 into x minus 2. Two factors we got. Okay. Very clear? Now we show that f of x is divisible by x minus 1 and x minus 2 using remainder theorem. Okay. Remainder theorem you know, isn't it? What is mean by what is a remainder theorem? And then if a polynomial p of x of degree greater than or equal to 1 is divided by linear polynomial. This is a linear polynomial, isn't it? And then x minus a, and then remainder is p of a. Remainder is what? P of a, isn't it? That's a remainder theorem. Here f of x is what? Exactly divisible by x minus 1 and x minus 2. And this one exactly divisible. Okay, exactly divisible we have to show. Very clear? Prove that. Okay, this is exactly divisible. We have to prove. This one exactly divisible by this one. Here from here only we got two factors, isn't it? These two factors we have to substitute, and then in this f of x place we have to substitute. Okay, that means shall we take first one? X minus 1, isn't it? Let x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to what? 1, isn't it? Then x equal to 1. This x equal to 1 we have to substitute f of then x place we have to substitute. Okay, that means f of 1 is equal to, then x place if you substitute means 2 into 1 the whole power 4 minus 6 into 1 the whole power 3 plus 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. Okay, then equal to 1 power 4 means 1, isn't it? Then 2 into 1 is what? 2, isn't it? 2. Then minus 6, 1 cube means what? 1. Then 1 into 6 is 6. Then 1 square means 1, isn't it? 1 into 3 is 3 plus 3. Then plus 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2. Then equal to, and then positive numbers add it. Here 5, 8, isn't it? 8. Negative numbers add, and then 6 plus 2 is 8. Here common sign minus, isn't it? Then equal to 0. Here we substitute x equal to 1. If we substitute means what's the answer we got? 0, isn't it? 0 if you get means this is exactly divisible. Have you understood? Then it is exactly divisible. Like that, shall we check x minus 2 also? Using remainder theorem we can check. Okay, let x minus 2. Then therefore x is equal to 0. Then x is equal to what? 2. X equal to 2. And then x equal to x place, if you substitute 2, substitute in there, if you get 0 means that is exactly divisible. Okay. Then shall we check? Then f of 2 is equal to x place substitute 2 into and then 2 power 4 minus 6 into 2 cube, isn't it? 2 power 3 plus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus, sorry, plus not minus, minus 2. Then equal to, then 2 power 4 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, then 8 2s are 16, 16 into 2 is what? That 16, isn't it? Then 16 into 2 is what? 32. Otherwise one more step we can write. 2 into 16 minus 6 into, here 2 into 2 into 2, what? 8, isn't it? Plus 3 into 2 square. 2 square means what? 4, isn't it? Plus this 2 multiplied 6 minus 2. And equal to 2 into 16 is 32 minus 6 8s are 48 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 6 minus 2. Okay, positive term shall we add? Here 32 plus 12 is 44, isn't it? 44 plus 6 is very good, 50. Then here negative term add it, minus 48 minus 2 is minus 50. Okay, and this to subtract 0. Did you get 0 here? Yes, isn't it? And then you have to show f of x is exactly divisible by these two factors. Then we got 0. It is exactly divisible. 0. If you get 0 means it is these two factors exactly divisible. Okay. Shall we write the answers? Therefore, f of x is exactly divisible. Exactly divisible by x minus 1 and x minus 2. Okay. Therefore, we can write what? That is f of x is exactly divisible. Exactly divisible by which one? Exactly divisible by x cube minus 3x plus 2, isn't it? This g of x only, these two factors we got, isn't it? Therefore, here this one exactly divisible means this one also exactly divisible. G of x is exactly divisible, isn't it? Therefore, here x square minus 3x plus 2 also exactly divisible. Okay. Next question is exercise 3.3 sixth sum. If two polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 4x minus 12 and then x cube plus x square minus 2x plus a leaves the same remainder. Both also same remainder. Two polynomial given. Both also same remainder is given. Okay. Then when divided by x minus 3, divided by which one? Which polynomial? X minus 2. Okay. Then x minus 2, if you are dividing time, then what's the same remainder? Same remainder. Both also same remainder. That is given. Find the value of a and also find the remainder. Okay, find the value of a. A value we have to find. Okay, then shall we start? Then by remainder theorem we can use here. Okay, by remainder theorem we have f of x. First polynomial is f of x we have to take. Okay, we should take what? F of x. Okay, then this f of x is divided by what? X minus 3, isn't it? X minus 3. Therefore, let x minus 3 is equal to what? 0. Therefore, x equal to what? 3, isn't it? X value first we have to find. X equal to 3. X equal to 3 we got. This x equal to 3 we have to substitute here. X place. Okay. Therefore, f of 3. This is the remainder. F of 3 is the remainder. Okay. Here substitute in time what answer we will get, isn't it? That's the remainder. That here f of 3 is equal to 2 into what? X place 3 substitute 3 the whole cube plus a into 3 the whole square, then plus 4 into what? 3, then minus 12. Okay, then equal to 2 into 3 cube. 3 cube what's the value? 27. 3 into 3 into 3. Then plus 3 square is 9, isn't it? 9a. This 2 multiply 12. Then minus 12. 12 minus 12 is, we can cancel, isn't it? 0, it will come. Then equal to 2 into 27 is what? 54 plus 9a. Can you reduce this one? We cannot reduce, isn't it? We cannot reduce this one. So stop it. This one equation number, this one f of x is equal, f of 3 is equal to this remainder we got. That is equation number 1 we have to take. Okay, equation number 1. Like that, second equation we have to take. Okay, that the second equation shall we take what? G of x. This one f of x we took, and then let g of x. G of x is equal to second equation is, what's the second equation say? X cube plus x square minus 2x plus a, isn't it? Then here also same remainder, isn't it? Here it is divided by, both also divided by same polynomial x minus 3. So x equal to what? 3. Here also 3 only. Okay, g of x plus 3 substitute. Then equal to, here substitute 3 the whole cube plus 3 square minus 2 into 3 plus a. Clear? Then equal to 3 into 3 into 3 what? 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 9 minus 6 plus a. Okay, then shall we add this to 36 it will come, isn't it? 27 plus 9 is what? 36 minus 6 plus a. 36 minus 6 is what? 30, isn't it? 30 plus a. Then g of 3 is equal to, this is the remainder we got. These two reminders, what's the question given? Leaves the same remainder. Both also what? Same remainder. Okay, same remainder means these two are equal. Okay, since the reminders are same, isn't it? That is given in the question itself. That means equation number 1 is equal to what? Equation number 2. That means f of 3 is equal to what? G of 3. These two reminders, f of 3 one reminder, this one g of 3 also another reminder, both also equal, isn't it? Same. That f of 3, what's the value? Reminder we got 54 plus what? 9a equal to g of here g of 3. Okay, g of 3, what's the reminder? 30 plus a. Okay, a term everything you should bring one, and then left hand side 9a minus a is equal to 30. This 54 you have to bring this side minus 54. Okay, therefore this to subtract 8a. 9a minus 1a, that means 8a is equal to what? Minus 24. Minus 24. Okay, therefore a is equal to minus 24 divided by what? 8, isn't it? 8a is equal to minus 24. Therefore a is equal to minus 24 divided by minus 24 divided by 8. 1 8 is 8. How many 8s are in 24? 3, isn't it? 3 8s are 24. Therefore a is equal to 3. That's the answer. A is equal to a value we got. Okay, this a value we have to substitute any one equation. Okay, here two equations we got now. Here this is f of 3 and f of g of 3, isn't it? Two equations we got, isn't it? Here any one we have to substitute. Shall we substitute in second equation? Sorry, this is second polynomial, not equation. It's a polynomial. Okay, shall we substitute second polynomial? Here second equation we can substitute. Then say substitute here minus 3. Okay, here a is equal to minus 3. Substitute a is equal to minus 3 into 2. Okay, 2 what is there? G of 3 is equal to what is given? 30 plus a, isn't it? 30 plus a. Shall we substitute here? Then equal to 30. Then a plus this minus 3 substitute. Then equal to 30 minus 3 is 27. Okay. Here g of 3 is equal to, g of 3 is the remainder, isn't it? G of 3 one remainder, f of 3 also one remainder. Then here if substitute means what's the answer we got? G of 3 is equal to 27. Therefore remainder is equal to 27. Have you understood this one? First two equation find out. From there a value find. A value you have to substitute any one equation. Then you will get the what? Remainder. Okay. Now let's see factor theorem. Okay, if p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then p of first one, p of a is equal to 0 implies then x minus a is the factor of p of x. Okay, then here factor theorem, then remainder theorem, and then multiples, divisible by. Okay, everything same model. Then this exercise starting itself I explained everything. Okay, then suppose here p of a is equal to 0 means then which is the factor? X minus a is the factor of p of x. Okay, then suppose here x minus a is there, isn't it? X minus a. Then how we will find out the x value? X minus a equal to 0, x equal to a. X equal to a, substitute one polynomial, substituting time, if you get 0 means that is which is the factor? X minus a is the factor of p of x. Understood? Like that. Second one, then x minus a is the factor of p of x. If you want, we have to tell means then which is 0, then p of a must be 0. P of a is 0 means then we can say what? X minus a is the factor of p of x. Okay, this is same as what? Then what remainder there, and then divisible by. Okay, and divisible by also the same method only. Then if you substitute x value, substitute that equation, if you get 0 means then we can say what? That is divisible, isn't it? Like that only here also, then x minus a is the factor means then p P of A is equal to 0 means then we can say what? Then x minus A is the factor of P of x. Okay, don't confuse it. Okay, then any example in it? Then suppose here x minus A means which is the factor means then P of A is equal to 0, isn't it? Then suppose x plus A. X plus A is the factor means then we can say what? Which is 0? P of minus A equal to 0. Okay, x plus A is equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus A we will get, isn't it? P of x place we have to substitute minus A. That time if we get 0 means then we can say what? Which is the factor? X plus A is the factor. Okay, like that here Ax plus B is a factor. What it all means then if which is P of what? How we can find this one? Ax plus B equal to 0. Therefore Ax equal to minus B. Okay, previous method only. Here x equal to minus B by A. Okay, then this x place we have to substitute minus B by A. Suppose if P of minus B by A equal to 0, if you get means then which is the factor? Ax plus B is the factor. Have you understood? Like that here Ax minus B means how we can write? Is the factor. What it all means then if P of, shall we find Ax minus B equal to 0, therefore Ax equal to B, therefore x equal to B by A. Then here P of B by A equal to 0 means then we can say what? Ax minus B is a factor. Any doubt? Then suppose here x minus A and x minus B is the both also is a factor. How we can find? Is a factor. Is a factor of P of x means if which is equal to 0 then P of A equal to 0 and P of B also equal to 0. How we can find this one? X minus A equal to 0. From there x equal to A value if we substitute in time, if we get 0 means then which is the factor? X minus A is the factor. Then here B substitute in time, if we get 0 means that's a factor. X minus B is the factor. Are you clear? Any other example you need? For example, x plus 3. Okay, one more example I am giving. X plus 3 is a factor. Is a factor of P of x. When it will come, x plus 3 is the factor. How we can find? If P of x place we have to substitute which value? Minus 3, isn't it? If P of minus 3 equal to 0 means which is the factor? X plus 3 is the factor. Very clear? Suppose x minus 3 means is the factor of P of x means if say x minus 3 is equal to 0, x equal to what? 3, isn't it? Then P of 3 equal to 0. P of x plus 3 substitute in time. If we get 0 means which is the factor? X minus 3 is the factor. Like that here progress check also page number 95 one progress check is given. Okay, and that one you should practice, then you will get one idea. Okay. Next example sum 3.13 show that x plus 2 is the factor of x cube minus 4x square minus 2x plus 20. Okay, solution. Here what is given, then first one let we have to take a given polynomial, write it. Okay, then here factors, then this is x plus 2 is the factor you have to show. Okay, by factor theorem. Then which is the factor? X plus 2 is the factor of P of x. If When it will come, this is the factor. How we can say this is a factor? If shall we find here, put x is equal to x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to what? Minus 2. X equal to minus 2. Okay, this is the 0 of the polynomial, isn't it? This x equal to minus 2, we have to substitute this equation. Okay, substitute this polynomial. That means p of what x place we have to substitute minus 2. Okay, if p of minus 2 equal to 0. If p of minus 2 equal to 0 means, then we can say what? X plus 2 is the factor of p of x. By which theorem? By factor theorem. Are you clear? Shall we check? Then p of x place substitute minus 2. Then equal to minus 2 the whole cube. Then minus 4 into minus 2 the whole square. Minus 2 into minus 2. Then plus 20. And equal to minus 2 the whole cube is what? And then odd power, isn't it? Odd power means minus only we will get. And then 2 into 2 into 2, 8, isn't it? Then here even power. That means minus 2 the whole square is plus, isn't it? Minus 4 into here what? Plus 4 we will get. Then minus into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4 plus 24. Okay. Then equal to minus 8. Here this 2 multiply minus 16. Isn't it? Plus and this to add what we will get? 20. 24. Here. Sorry, here 4. Here 20. Okay. Then 4 plus 20 is what? 24. Equal to this to add it minus 24 plus 24. Okay. Then equal to minus 24. This sign different, isn't it? So we can cancel this 2. Then equal to 0. Okay. P of minus 2 equal to 0. We got the answer. Therefore, which is the factor? Very good. X plus 2 is the factor. Therefore, x plus 2 is a factor. Is a factor of which polynomial here? X cube minus 4x square minus 2x plus 20. Have you understood? Suppose if suppose here any other numbers if you get means then not equal to 0 means that is not a factor of p of x. Okay. This model. One question, homework remarkage. Okay, exercise 3.3, 7th sum. Okay, then exercise 3.3, 7th sum, 2 subdivisions given. Okay, first one and second one. Here, first one, this model only. Here, determine whether x minus 1, okay, x minus 1 is a factor of the following polynomials. First question, now one polynomial is given, okay, and then x minus 1. X minus 1, that means then we have to find x equal to 1. Okay, x place we have to substitute 1. That time you will get 0. Okay, second one, and the same factor only, then x equal to 1, that x equal to 1, if you substitute second polynomial, substitute means then you won't get 0. Okay, it is not equal to 0 only you will get, check it. Okay, try to do. Suppose if you not get 0 means then how you will write the answer? That is not a factor. Okay, suppose here x minus 1 is a factor or not a factor they are asking. Therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor of that polynomial, you should write it. Okay, can you try? Okay. Children, you have one more test. Okay, so then you study all notes, then thinking corner, then notes, everything study. Okay, then all definitions, everything study, then only you can attend all questions. Okay, how many questions completed? Up to that question is there. So you study well, don't waste your time. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.